and I'm here with a Glam Date Night Valentine's look, and I really like the way this turned out. So yeah, it's very beautiful. So if you're looking for ideas for a date night for Valentine's Day, or any date night really, it's a very wearable look, then yeah, stay tuned to see how I got this one. Guess what? My toilet won't stop running, and I don't know why. The universe is trying to bring me down. It's not gonna work, universe. It's not gonna work. So, hi, we are going to do... I'm ridiculous today. We are going... I'm singing my shirt. Okay. We are going to do a very date night glam Valentine look. And I'm super excited because it's going to be pretty. So, we are going to bust out the good old color workshop along with the LA Color I Heart makeup palette to do this look. Love it. Oh, also, we will be using a high-end product. I'm so sorry, but like, I have it and it's gonna be beautiful. So it is Stila Liquid Eyeshadow in Smoldering Satin. So, I like my hair, guys. I'm a little crazy with a curling iron. This literally took me over an hour to do. Like, I was doing my hair and listening to the water constantly run. It's no wonder I'm feeling a little crazy today. Okay, let's get into this. Enough with the chit-chat. Okay, so I am going to start in the LA Colors I Heart makeup palette. And I'm going to take this pretty light pink, and I am going to use that as a transition shade. Ooh, that's super light. So, I don't know what is going on with this place, but I mean, we are having all kinds of water issues. It's ridiculous. I'm over winter. I'm ready for spring. I'm sick of being cold. I'm sick of having issues. I just really am over it. Oh, by the way, I used my Instant Age Rewind concealer to conceal my eyelids, to prime them. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to go into... I can't open it. Maybe I'll use this color as the crease shade. It's kind of pinkish. Where's my other brush? I thought I got them all. I guess I did not. Ugh, let's see. Let's just use E.L.F. Yeah, that's got a pink tone to it. That'll work. So, I am trying to, my goal, my next goal is to get to 500 subscribers by my birthday. My birthday is March 21st. It's February, and I have 200 and something, so I'm hoping that's a realistic goal. I don't know. We will find out if I get there or not. Okay, it's so pretty. All right, we're gonna go into... I'm gonna go into... I'm gonna go into this pretty, like, pinky burgundy, pinky purple pinky purple shade. Has a little shimmer, but I don't think the shimmer will show through too much. So let's give it a go. I'm going to use that on the outer corner and into about 1/3 of the crease. And we'll probably have to darken this up. Man, maybe I should have used this color in the crease. It's not very pigmented. Okay, let's go into this darker shade right here. We're going to deepen the outer corner. Maybe. We might have to dip into another darker color because I just don't feel like that is deepening it enough. I think I'm just gonna dip into the black a little and just kind of darken that just a little bit. Let me find a small little. This is probably a concealer brush, but guess what? We're using it for eyeshadow today. All right, let's focus on the lid right now. We're gonna go into this pretty pink, and we are just going to sweep that on the lid using an eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use this gigantic one right here. Sweep, knock off the excess. What the not showing up very well. Maybe this brush is too big. Okay, let's find a smaller one. Maybe this one. Okay, now we're gonna dip into that beautiful Stila smoldering satin. Oh yeah, glam it up. Ooh, I freaking love this. It is so pretty. Okay, let's let that dry for a moment. Okay, we're gonna go back into that darker color that we used in the outer corner, and we are going to blend that into that Stila color. Now we're gonna go into the second darker color, and we're going to put that, define the crease just a little more. Okay, we'll break out the blending brush and blend the edges. Okay, we're gonna do the bottom. We're gonna take that darker color. We're gonna sweep that along the bottom. Okay, gonna take that Vita brush with the black, dip back into the black. Do that on the outer corner to connect it. Pinky that we put on the lid, and we're going to run that underneath as well. Ugh. Watery eyes can be so frustrating. Okay, eyeliner. Now, if you want to be super glam, you can do a wing. I stink at doing wings, so I'm not going to. But feel free. Have at it. You do you, boo. Take the cream eyeliner for the bottom. Get a Q-tip. Gonna use this Maybelline Lasting Drama in the waterline, tight line. Okay, I'm gonna pop on lashes and I'll be back. Okay, we got our lashes done and I put on some highlight. I added some to the inner corner and the brow bone. And now it's time to do lips. So I was gonna do red, but I feel like I don't think red would really go with this. So we're gonna stick with a nude. I know that's not very date nighty, but I just feel like nude would be the best color. So let's get into that. And we're gonna use Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. Comment. Got it right this time. Okay. We're going to go in with this LA Colors lip color, and it is in Petal. So let's do that. I want to add some highlight to my Cupid's bow because I forgot. Is it showing up? There you go. Just a little. Maybe a little more. Ooh, pretty. Now I got lipstick on my brush. I hate it when I do that. Okay. God, sometimes I can be so annoying. Which I'm sure many of you know. Okay. I may have overcurled my hair. It's not looking the greatest. It's looking a little too curly. So, this is it, guys. This is the Glam Date Night Valentine's look. And I freaking love this Stila shadow. It is gorgeous. It is just, oh, so freaking pretty. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That's what I meant to do. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. What you waiting for? We would love to have we? Is there more than one of me here? I would love to have you. And hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation, and you will be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 10 a.m. 99.9% of the time, it's 10 a.m. And yeah, that's it for this video. Oh, do not forget to head on over to my Facebook page and like it. There you will see sneak peeks of future looks that I have done in the past, and when I get a lot of people on there, I will start doing some lives, so that'll be fun. So there's a link in the description box. Head on over and like that page. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you tune in to future videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.